Trust is the foundation of our relationships, both personal and professional. But if you find yourself struggling with trust issues, it can be incredibly challenging. Let's go over 7 signs that you might be dealing with trust issues and what you can do about them. First, if you constantly second-guess people's intentions or question their motives, it could be a sign that you have trust issues. You might find yourself overanalyzing their actions or words, always looking for hidden agendas. Second, if you tend to push people away or keep them at a distance to avoid getting hurt, that's another indicator. Trust issues often manifest as a fear of vulnerability, leading you to build walls around yourself. Third, if you have a hard time accepting apologies or forgiving people, this reluctance can be rooted in deep-seated trust issues. You may struggle to move past conflicts because you doubt that the other person has genuinely changed or is sincere. Fourth, a pattern of comparing new people to past ones, assuming that they will let you down just like previous individuals, is another sign. This can hinder your ability to form new, healthy relationships. Fifth, if you frequently feel anxious or paranoid about the reliability of those around you, this constant state of unease can indicate trust issues. It can affect your peace of mind and overall well-being. Sixth, if you find yourself controlling or micromanaging situations and people because you don't trust them to do things right, it's a sign of deep-seated trust issues. This behavior often stems from a lack of confidence in others' abilities or integrity. Seventh, if you experience anxiety or stress in close relationships, this emotional turmoil often links back to trust difficulties. Lastly, if you're often caught in a cycle of broken relationships or recurring conflicts due to issues of trust, this pattern can be a major red flag. So, what can you do to address these trust issues? Start by acknowledging them and understanding their root causes. Reflect on past experiences that may have contributed to these feelings, whether it's betrayal, disappointment, or past trauma. Seeking therapy can be incredibly helpful in working through these underlying issues and developing healthier ways to build trust. Practice open communication with those around you, expressing your concerns and working together to build mutual trust. It's also important to set realistic expectations and understand that no one is perfect. Finally, focus on self-care and self-compassion. Building trust in others often starts with trusting yourself and believing that you are worthy of positive and supportive relationships. By addressing these signs and taking proactive steps, you can work towards healthier, more fulfilling connections with those around you.